नमस्कार मित्रांनो. टुडे we now start with the next chapter, geometrical construction. You already know some basic idea about how to construct the segment bisector, congruent angles, and the line parallel to the given line parallel to the given line passing through the point which is not on the that line. So these we already done in the previous classes here. Now here construction of a similar triangle here. Two triangles are similar given to you here. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. The ratio of AB is to XY. These are the corresponding side of these two similar triangles. Is nothing but 5:3. Then we have to construct a triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. We know that triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ, and therefore if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Means AB divided by XY is equal to BC divided by YZ, which is equal to AC divided by XZ. Okay. It is given that the ratio of AB is to XY is equal to 5:3. So I write here 5 divided by 3. This is given. Actually this is given only. Okay. So this is according to definition of this. AB we know that this is 4.5 centimeter, and XY we don't know. BC is equal to 3.5 is given. YZ we don't know. AC is equal to 7, and XZ we have to find out, and this is 5/3. Actually this 5/3 is given here. So therefore from this here we can find the value of XY, YZ. What is XY here? 4.5 divided by XY is equal to 5/3. It gives XY is equal to 4.5 into 3 cross multiply divided by 3. So that is equal to 0.9 into 3, which is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Secondly here 3.5 divided by YZ, which is equal to 5/3. It gives 3.5 into 3 divided by 5. So this is equal to 0.7 into 3. This is 2.1 centimeter. Second value. Third is nothing but S here 7 divided by XZ, which is equal to 5/3. It gives XZ is equal to, so this value is nothing but here YZ. Okay, so this XZ is equal to 7 into 3 divided by 5, that is 21 divided by 5, and this value is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So this is 4.2 centimeter. So by using this value here 2.7, 2.1 and 4.2, we can draw or we can construct triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, okay, such that they are similar to each other. So this is AB which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Let us draw point C here. So BC is equal to 3.5. Take a 7 centimeter in your compass, and here B to C distance is nothing but here 3.5. You take a 3.5 in your compass and make a cut here. So here this is the point of intersection. This is nothing but a C point here. Joint BC and AC, A to C here. So this is your 3.5 centimeter BC distance, and AC is nothing but here 7 centimeters. So this is your triangle ABC here. Now draw a triangle XYZ here. Now here, so XY length is nothing but 2.7 centimeter. Draw XY length X, suppose this is Y, this much length is nothing but 2.7 centimeter. I take a, draw an arc here from X here. Then I take a distance of 2.1 centimeter here for YZ here. So take Y as a center here and draw an arc which cuts the previous arc here. The point of intersection is nothing but Z point here. Joint YZ and XZ here. Now here, this is 2.1 centimeter and this much length is nothing but 4.2 centimeter here. Now these two and here triangles are nothing but a similar triangle here. So in this way we can draw the given similar triangle. Now this is the another type here. Construct any triangle PQR. Whatever may be the dimension of this triangle here, we can take it here. Construct another triangle PQ dash R dash such that PQ is to PQ dash is equal to 4:3. The ratio of PQ is to PQ dash is nothing but 4:3. And triangle PQR must be similar to triangle PQ dash R dash here. Now if you want to draw the rough figure here, so what should be the rough figure here? A rough figure. So we have to for rough figure here, consider this triangle here, and suppose this is a triangle. PQR, suppose here is a triangle PQR. So we have to draw like this here. This triangle Q dash R dash like this. Means here this point P is nothing but a common here. Now so that here this is nothing but 3 part and this is nothing but a 4 part. It means here this PQ is nothing but a 4 part. Okay. So that here we get PQ is to PQ dash is nothing but 4:3. It means here we have to take a segment PR and divide this segment PR into 4 equal part here, and this Q dash is nothing but a third part. Okay, so we already know that here how to divide the given segment into ratio of equal parts or the given ratio. So that what to do here, we have to draw here P, suppose this is R, I draw Q here, point. So this is our triangle PQR here. What to do here? I draw a ray which is passing through point P. This is a ray. I make a fourth part of this ray here. Suppose this is a PM ray here. Suppose this is the first point here, PM1, M2, M3, 1, 2, 3, and here is 4, M4 here. So 4 ray. So this is the ray here, PM ray. I just joined here P point to M4 first here. So then here I draw an arc here, suitable arc like this here. So I draw the same here. Now here I draw a congruent angle here. From I draw a ray which is passing through these 2 points here. Which intersects a segment PR at this point. Okay. Now this point is nothing but your R dash point here. Now here to find out the Q dash here, this point here, we find this point here. To find this point Q dash here, what to do here? I draw a line here which is parallel to QR. So that I draw an angle here. Similarly angle I draw here also. So then here you take congruent angle to this angle like this, and therefore to draw a congruent angle like this here, this is nothing but here. By joining here these 2 points here, R dash with this point, now this is our point Q dash here. Now this part is the third part here. Actually this part is nothing but a third part here, and this total part is nothing but a fourth part here. Okay. We can draw here PQ is to PQ dash is nothing but 4:3. So that here this, because these angles are congruent, these angle and these angle are congruent here, and this is a common angle here, and therefore these 2 triangles are similar here. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle PQ dash R dash here. So you can apply any one of the test here. Here AA test and AAA test is applicable here. Practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN is given, that we have to actually drawn. In triangle ABC, the dimension are given. AB is equal to 5.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, CA is equal to what here? That is AC is equal to 4.5 cm, and construct triangle ABC as well as triangle LMN such that the ratio of their corresponding side BC and MN is given as 5/4. Solution or analysis. CC. Okay, so this is called analysis, not a solution here. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. Okay, therefore by definition we can say that their side means corresponding sides must be in proportion. BC must be proportion with the MN, AC must be proportion with the LN. Okay, now the value of AB is given as 5.5. LM we don't know, LM you write like this. BC upon MN complete ratio is given here, but here the value of BC is given, so I write first here this much. BC is 6, MN we don't know, which is equal to AC is given, that is CA, that is equal to 4.5. LN we don't know. Now this ratio is nothing but here equal ratio here, and the value of one of the ratio BC upon MN is given as a 5/4. So I put it here 5/4 with number 1. Now by using this ratio here we can very well find this value here MN here. Therefore 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5/4. Therefore here LM is equal to, just you cross multiply you will get 5.5 into 4 divided by 5. So this is equal to 1. Cancel with this you will get 1.1 and multiply you will get 4.4 cm. So this is the value of LM. LM is equal to 4.4. Also similarly you can take a second ratio 6 divided by MN, which is equal to 5/4. Therefore it gives MN is equal to 6 into 4 divided by 5, that is 24 divided by 5, so 4.8 centimeter. Okay, also, and the last one is 4.5 divided by ln, which is equal to 5/4 again. It gives ln is equal to 4.5 into 4 cross multiply divided by 5. So this is equal to 0.9 and this is equal to 9 for the 3.6 centimeter because it is in point. Okay. So in this way we find the value of all these three sides, MN, LM, MN and LN here. Now first of all we AB is nothing but here 5.5 centimeter here. Then we have to find the value of BC, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So take a 6 centimeter distance in your compass. Take B as a center and draw an arc here. Okay. Then we have to draw a length here of CA. So that is equal to 4.5. You take a 4.5 in your compass. Take A as a center and make an arc here which cuts the previous arc at point. This point is nothing but here C here. Then join point B to C as well as A to C. So this is your required angle ABC. So the dimension BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Here CA, that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So in this way here we can draw the triangle ABC here. Now we have to draw the similar triangle LMN here. So that here we choose the first side LN is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So here I draw a line here. This is a LM. So that is the 4.4 centimeter. centimeter here, because AB is proportional with the LM here. So I write like AB LM here 4.4. Then come to here to find the point here N. Find the MN here, which is equal to 4.8 centimeter. You take the radius of length 4.8 centimeter in your compass. Take M as a center and draw an arc here like this. Then to find the length LN here, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter, you take a radius of 3.6 centimeter in your compass here. Put here, take L as a center and draw an arc which intersect the previous arc. It is nothing but a required point N here, and joint MN and LN. Joint point MN and point LN here. So the dimension of this is nothing but 4.8 centimeter, and this is a 3.6 centimeter. So in this way here, these are the two required triangle. Draw a triangle ABC